Hey guys, welcome in today. I got a really fun video that I've been looking forward to. Getting a lot of requests on how to do some Vans. So I'm going to do a low top slip on Vans. I'm going to start off and kind of give you a little idea project, and then you can take it whatever way that you want. I got two pencils here, so I'm going to choose. I'm going to go camouflage pencil for this one. Maybe I'll make a camouflage Vans. Okay, so let's get started on this. I'm going to go L shape for kind of the back part and then the flat part for the bottom. So I'm going to start with that kind of basic L. I'm going to do it lightly first, so I can always go over it a little bit darker once I'm a little bit more confident. So I kind of got that back flat part and then the long bottom. Once I have the long bottom pretty extended out, Vans are definitely a little bit smaller at the front and gradually kind of goes up towards that tongue part. So some people can even put a little dot kind of in the middle, and that's kind of the part that you're going to try to hit as it kind of curves and goes slowly up towards the top. And then after that, it kind of slopes down and then goes back up again. So I think the overall shape is pretty good. I'm going to go over that a little darker so you can see it. All right, pretty confident with that shape now. I like that. So on the bottom, I'm going to do that sole. It's basically like a rectangle that goes all the way down. On the edges, if you want a curve, that helps it look a little bit more three-dimensional. The straight line goes all the way across and then starts to curve up. Fix that front a little bit. Nice. Okay, from there, I'm going to try to break apart the sections. There's kind of like a section back here, and then a section in the middle that's pretty standard for almost all Vans. All right, and then that S kind of follows that top part and goes back around, so that kind of curves, like I said, almost like an S. And then this part over here goes back all the way up there. So I'll make that a little bit darker so you can see. This little part comes off of the heel and goes down, and then this kind of has that curve. I think once you have some of those basic shapes, it makes it a little bit easier. The part that all Vans have is that little notch in the sole down there. I want to add is the little tag of the Vans, so it's like a little rectangle, little tab over here on this S. And I think we got it. So really, that's the basic shapes. We got all the little sections. Now you can pretty much do whatever you want. You could outline this in Sharpie. You could do patterns. You could do different colors, different styles, whatever you want. I'm going to go and I'm going to do the checker one, because the checker one is one of my favorite ones. On lines on here, I'll go through that real quick. I'll outline it in Sharpie and do a cool background. So let's go through that really fast. And there it is, guys, my first Vans. I thought it was a success. It was really tricky to do the checkerboard, but I think that turned out cool. But like I said, you could basically use the template that I used for this and do any sort of designs. I've seen rainbow ones. I've seen all sorts of different types as kids have been kind of bringing them back into style. So thank you guys for viewing this. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's Art Channel. We'll talk to you guys later.